Hello, in this video I will show you how to set the date and digital time on a Casio G-Shock 3263 watch. First, put the watch in the timekeeping mode by pressing several times on the mode button until you see the day of the week. Hold the adjust button for a few seconds until the second starts to flash. Use the forward and reverse button on the right side of the watch to reset the seconds to 0. Press mode and again use either the forward and reverse button to put the daylight saving time on or off. Press mode once and now use the forward and reverse button to find your current city. Press mode again and now adjust the hour to your local time. Press the mode button again and now you can set the minutes. Press mode again, now you can set either the 12-hour clock or 24-hour military time. Press mode, now you can set the year. Press mode again and now set the month. Press mode, set the date, and once you're done, press the adjust button once to return to the timekeeping mode.